Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Namrata Nagwekar. People from Shirora and Pernem constituency participated at the Old Goa protest against the illegal structure in the heritage precincts. On the 14th day of the protest, the venue was shifted to the vicinity of the Viceroy's Arch near the St. Cajetan Church Gate on the road to Diwar Ferry, since more people expected. Glenn Cabral stated that a slight confusion occurred since some people were not sure if the protest was continuing. On Wednesday, people from Bicholim and Kottalim constituencies will participate in the protest.
प्रोटेस्टाक शिरोडा आनी पेडणे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी आसली पूण आमी कांय कारणाक लागून जे लोकांचो लोक चड येवपाक लागून आमी हो प्रोटेस्ट स्कीप केल्लो वेन्यू सो ताका लागून लोक थोडे हे जाले कन्फ्यूज जाले की प्रोटेस्ट आहा काय ना पूण आमी लोकांक सांगूंक सोदता आमचो प्रोटेस्ट चालू आहा हो आमचो 14वा दीस आमचो प्रोटेस्ट चालूच उरतलो म्हणून
तुमी खंय शिफ्ट जाले
आतां आमी शिफ्ट कारण दिवार फेरी वयता थिंगा लास्ट टायम आमची 25 मिटींग जाल्ली थिंगा शिफ्ट जाल्ली आहा आमी मागता थिंगा सेंट कॅजिटन गेट वायसरॉय जात आमी थिंगा शिफ्ट जाल्ली आमचो न्यू वेन्यू तो सो हांव मागता तुमी सगळ्या लोकांनी थिंगा येवचें आनी फुडले फाल्यांची कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी नांव आसा बिचोलींनी कोर्ताली ते लोकां लागीं मागता बिचोलीन कोर्तालीच्या लोकां लागीं तुमी आमी लास्ट टायम मिटींग जाल्ली महामोर्चा जाल्ले.
The latest resignation of Ravi Naik from Congress party has reduced the strength of Sonia Gandhi-led party on the floor of the Goa Assembly to a mere 3. Congress was the largest single party after 2017 elections, winning 17 seats. BJP had won on 13 seats. On Tuesday, Ponda Congress MLA tendered his resignation to the Speaker and was expected to join the BJP the same evening.
Ravi Naik resigns as a Congress MLA. Congress strength now stands with 3 out of 17 within 4 years. In yet another setback to the Congress in poll-bound coastal state, party MLA Ravi Naik on Tuesday tendered his resignation from the House. With the current resignation, the strength of Congress in the 40-member assembly has been reduced to 3. Earlier, Luisin Falero had resigned as an MLA to join the Trinamool Congress party. Today, Ravi said, I have resigned. I will let you know what is the course of action.
आता राजीनामा दिला आता फुडले जे आसा ते तुमकां सांगता बरें मागीर रोखडें येता आनी मेळटा पणजे
तुमचे जाहीर केल्ले आहा न्हू हरशीं सांजचे चारांक बीजेपीन म्हणून
खंय जारी केला
तुमचे फोण्या
हांवें केला हे ओ बेश्टच मरे नाका सांगता कितें
तुमचे कार्यकर्ते म्हणटा फोण्याचे
कार्यकर्ते म्हणटा ते कितें आसा हांवें कांय दिवसांनी सांगून तुमकां सांजचे सांगता तुमकां
तुमी कितें म्हणटा
जाल्यार सांजचे येता तुमकां सांगता
हांगा येतले पणजे
पळयता
सगळे वयता फडणवीस बी फोण्याक
कोण
फडणवीस तुमकां वेलकम करपाक
ते आसा देवी बी पांय पडपा शांतादुर्गा आसा आमचे कडेन सगळ्यो आमचे देव फोंड्या तालुक्या आसा तांकां ते भेटपाक वयता कित्याक ते जेन्ना येतात ते सगळे आमच्या देवांक
पण फायनल जावं ना
तेन्ना तुमकांय मेळटले
बीजेपी फायनल जावं ना
दर्शन घेवन येतले तेन्ना तुमकांय मेळटले
म्हाका कोणाकूय मेळपाक ओपन आसा तशें
तुम्ही बालसेटी इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्ट करतले
त्यार मागीर पळोवया येवनी मरे इलेक्शनाक
रिजायन
कितें कितें घडटा हिंदी
रिजायन केलें
रिजन दिलें हांवें
तूं मदींच दिवचें अशें कित्याक दितले आज एक म्हयनो आनी
सर
लास्ट मिनट
काँग्रेसीचे
सर क्या किसके लिए आए थे और
मैं
हाँ
स्पीकर को मिलने के लिए आया था मिल और मैंने मेरा रजिस्ट्रेशन उसको दे दिया
किसके क्या रीजन था सर और किस
रीजन में कुछ नहीं है दे दिया
क्या
रजिस्ट्रेशन
सर क्या आगे का फीचर क्या है सर
आगे के देखेंगे आगे दे आए
केन्ना मेरेन announcement?
क्या क्या एक मिनट हिंदी सर किसके लिए रिजाइन किया था और कब तक आप दूसरे पार्टी में कुछ ज्वाइन करने का सोच रहे
अभी देखो अभी दिया अभी सोचने का है टाइम है ना बहुत
हैं सोर्सेज बोल रहे हैं कि आप बीजेपी में ज्वाइन हो रहे
कौन सा सोर्स
हैं लोगों का
ये
सर
तो
क्या कांग्रेस नहीं कांग्रेस छोड़ने का कारण क्या था सर
मेरा मैं बाद में शाम को बोलता हूँ
Story by William Rodriguez for Herald TV.
Now let's take a short break.
Unlock the goodness of health with wealth and safeguard your health or life. Go and sip. Truly going. Going to good. Going to udok. Am udok.
Welcome back. Congress has threatened to release an audio by Wednesday 12:30 p.m. if Manrem MLA Dayanand Sopte's supporters do not come clean on Sopte tax by 11 a.m. GPCC President Girish Chodankar alleged that there is a Sopte tax imposed in Manrem on bullfights, construction, work, shacks, etc. He said that Sopte supporters held a press conference, but Sopte did not have guts to reply to the charges.
की मांद्रे मतदारसंघाचे लोक सफर जातात. बाकीची सगळी टॅक्सां, मोदीची टॅक्सां, त्याच्यानंतर गोवा सरकाराची टॅक्सां, सेंट्रल स्टेट टॅक्स करून थंय एडिशनल तांकां सोपटे टॅक्स फारीक करपा पडटा. सो त्या मतदारसंघात कितेंय जर खंय जातलें जाल्यार ताका सोपटे टॅक्स फारीक करपा पडटा. बाब सोपटेन रिप्लाय दिलो ना, पूण तांचो एक मधु परब, सुदेश सावंत आनी धिरेश मांद्रेकर, सो ह्या तीग जाणां कडून प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स ताणें घेतलो काउंटर करपाक. सोपटेक डेरिंग जालना सोपटे टॅक्साचेर उत्तर दिवपाक. हांव हांकां ब्लेम करना, हे बावडे सादे आमचे भशेन कार्यकर्ते ते. पूण तेंची चूक एकूच जाता की लिडर सांगता ते आयकतात आनी उलयतात. त्या लिडरा कडेन तांणी परत चॅक करपाक जाय आशिल्लें, बाब सोपटे तुगेलें खरेंच कितें तरी सोपटे टॅक्स म्हणजे आसा काय ना काय म्हणून. पूण ब्लायंडली ताणें फॉलो केलें. हांव ह्या तिगांय कडेन मागता की फाल्यां 11 वरां मेरेन मी सोपटे कडेन विचारचें की असो सोपटे टॅक्स बी कितें आसा तो खरो काय फट. म्हाजे कोंतान आयकला त्या प्रमाणे थंय जर भिरये जाता थंय सोपटे टॅक्स, पूण कितें कन्स्ट्रक्शन करता थंय सोपटे टॅक्स, करेक्ट म्हणटा. बिचार जर शेक घालता जाल्यार थंय सोपटे टॅक्स. सो कितेंय एक्टिविटी करतलो, थोडे लायसन नासले जाल्यार सुद्धा ताका सोपटे टॅक्स हे लागता. फाल्यां 11 मेरेन ह्या तिगांय कडेन मागता की सोपटे कडल्यान कन्फर्म करचें आनी सांगचें. तरी सुद्धा जर तो ना म्हणटा की सोपटे टॅक्स म्हणटा लागना आनी आपूण तशें पयशे मागना जाल्यार हांव 12:30 फाल्यां म्हाजी प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आसा, त्या 12:30 हांव एक ऑडियो रिलीज करता जंय सोपटे टॅक्स कशे कलेक्ट जातले.
When asked about the resignation of Ponda Congress MLA, Ravi Naik Girish said party had disowned him 1.5 years ago when his son joined the BJP. We want people who support Congress and we have groomed a new leadership in Ponda, and Ponda block and district committee had not recommended the name of Ravi for the candidature in 2022, Girish informed.
रवी नायक हो टेक्निकलीच फक्त काँग्रेसीन आशिल्लो. ज्या दिसा तेजे दोगूय भुरगे हे बीजेपीन गेले, प्रवेश केलो, तेज्या तिसऱ्याच दिसा ताका आमी डिझोन केलो एज अ काँग्रेस MLA. आनी स्पेसिफिकली सांगलें की जो मनीस भुरग्यांक धाडून एक पांय थंय दवरता, एक पांय हांगा दवरता, असले लिडर्स काँग्रेसीन नाका. काँग्रेसीन ठामपणे ते पक्षा बरोबर रावतात तसे लिडर जाय. आणि जी लोकांची मागणी आशिल्ली ती लोकांची मागणी आम्ही सामके पूर्ण करता. प्रत्येक गजाल जी लोकांक जाय त्या प्रमाणे आम्ही करता. तेजे नंतर आम्ही थंय नवे नेतृत्व उबी करपाची आमची जी चॅलेंज आशिल्ली ती सुरू केली.
Meanwhile, John Nazareth, who had resigned from the Goa Forward saying he would give up politics, joined the Congress based on development the party had done in the past.
I was very amazed with the statement of Chief Minister Pramod Sawant that TMC and MGP cultures don't match, yet we have planned to form an alliance. Looks like the cat is out of the bag, Vice President of TMC Luisino Falero said on Tuesday. But if you see, it is very clear that Congress and BJP cultures match as they have all the Congress MLAs in the BJP, he added.
I was amazed to see the statement of the Honorable Chief Minister, stating that this has come on the Telegraph, stating that the culture of TMC and the culture of MGP doesn't match. I think the cat is out of the bag. What he is trying to say right now, with the alliance government with the BJP, the culture of BJP and the culture of Congress must be matching, because they have got 13 BJP MLAs and 13 Congress MLAs which has merged with BJP, and that is what they are running the government. So maybe he is talking the truth finally. The truth comes. Another point which I was going today on the one of the newspapers is that the General Secretary in charge of Goa Congress Party, Mr. Dinesh Gundu Rao, has said that as far as the alliance with Congress and Goa forward, I thought it was signed, sealed and delivered. But he said that there is no decision on the alliance. The nitty-gritties have been worked out, and there's still a lot of confusion. All I saw when they went to Delhi, they only raised the hands. They must have forgotten to shake the hands. So that may be the meaning that the nitty-gritties are worked out. You must have seen the photographs.
Yes, right.
They raise the hands. But all you have to do is shake the hands, and when you do shake hands, you do it from your heart to heart. So they should not worry about the culture of TMC and MGP. They should more worry about their culture, which is perfectly matching with the culture of 13 Congress MLAs who have joined from Congress.
Story by Devendra Gaonkar for Herald TV.
Now let's take a short break.
आमचे उदक.
Welcome back. Celebrated Konkani writer Damodar Mauzo has been conferred the prestigious 56th Jnanpith Award. Mauzo, who has an acclaimed career for over 5 decades, is the second Goan Konkani writer to receive this award, after Ravindra Kelekar, who received the same honor in 2006. Mauzo has received the Sahitya Academy Award besides other awards for his engrossing Konkani writings. Many Goans were elated at Mauzo receiving this award.
म्हाका मेळ्ळो म्हणून सांगलें तेन्ना म्हाका विस्वास पयलीं बसलो ना, कित्याक हांवें धरली ना की ह्या लायनींत हांव आसा म्हणून. पुरस्काराची अपेक्षा केन्ना धरलीच ना. साहित्य अकादमी वेळारय धरली नाशिल्ली आनी आतांय धरली ना. पूण मेळ्ळो म्हणटकीच आनंद जाताच. आनी पयलीं हांव विस्वास बसलो ना, खात्री केली पयलीं उलयता ती कोण म्हणून. ही चेअरमॅन ऑफ ज्ञानपीठ कमिटीची म्हणून म्हाका आवड. ज्युरीची चेअरमॅन तिणें फोन केल्लो आनी युनेनिमस म्हणून सांगता की आनी बरें दिसलें. आनीक वेल साहित्य जो ज्ञानपीठ पुरस्कार मेळ्ळ्या आनंद जायना असो एकूय लेखक आमच्या देशांत आसचो ना. आनी हो राजकीय पुरस्कार न्ही, ताजो आनी एक आनंद आसता. आनी विशेश म्हळ्यार कोंकणीक मेळ्ळो म्हणटा ताजो चड आनंद. कित्याक कोंकणी ही 1961 मेरेन पुर्तुगेज हांगासर ही साहित्यीक भाशा म्हणून नाशिल्ली. चडशे लोक साहित्य बरयताले, सामके थोडे. पूण मुक्ती उपरांत कोंकणी भाशा वयर सरपाक लागली आनी अवघ्या इतले 50-60 वर्सां भितर कोंकणीक 2 ज्ञानपीठ पुरस्कार मेळप हें व्हडलें भाग्य कोंकणीचें आनी कोंकणी लोकांचें. म्हाका दिसता त्या नदरेंतल्यान कोंकणीक मेळिल्लो पुरस्कार म्हणून म्हाका चड आनंद जालो.
खोशेक शिगमेर ना सद्या तकलेन इतले विचार येतात आनी इतले काळीज भरला की काय खरें सांगपाक जाल्यार उतरां फुटनात. पूण दिस इज द बेस्ट मोमेंट ऑफ आवर लायफ्स.
Chairman of CCP's Market Committee, Pramay Mayekar, has alleged that the Market Tenants Association is renting out shops for ₹60,000 to ₹70,000. This is the reason why they are not signing the leave and license agreement. He also alleged that the same people are members of the executive committee for the last 20 to 25 years. So far, 20 tenants have come forward to sign the agreement from among 456 shop leases. Pramay informed that this year, CCP is not charging traditional item vendors at the Pandrim Church Fair, which is located from Ferry Point to Akala Academy. The rest will be charged a reduced rate of Rs 60 per square meter due to COVID pandemic.
आता खाली जी शॉप्स आहे फ्रंट साइड 60,000 70,000 रेंटला आहे तुमका खबर असा आम्ही त्यांचे काहीच रिन्यू करू आणि या टेनंट असोसिएशनाची शॉपा 10 12 शॉपा असा ती भाड्याक दिता ते आमच्या क्लोजार दा
त्यांच्यावर कारवाई केव्हा
दिस इज द एलिगेशन
आय एम डायरेक्टली डुईंग एलिगेशन्स
नाही तुमच्याकडे जर प्रूफ आहे तर तुम्ही कारवाई का नाही करत
तसं नाही दॅट इज द सेम रिझन दे नॉट साइनिंग फॉर द लिव्ह लायसन्स एग्रीमेंट नो
मग कारवाई का नाही करत
कशी करणार दॅट इज द सेम नोटिसेस त्याचसाठी मी नोटिसेस पाठवणार ना आता म्हणजे जे पहिली तो सोपो कलेक्ट जातालो तो फक्त 6,000 7,000 जातालो 6,000 to 7,000 आता जो सोपो कलेक्ट जाता तो 14,000 ते 15,000 पावता सो आय एम ओव्हर हिअर टू चेंज द सिस्टम हे म्हणजे डायरेक्ट एलिगेशन
15,000 येतात
आता 15,000 पर डे येता.
With the rise in COVID cases across the world and the Omicron variant creating a scare, Goans are asking, will this tourism season be better than the last 2 years' season? Will the first charter flight arrive to Goa on December 13th? Airport Director Gagan Malik said that the charter flight's arrival depends on situation of COVID in those countries and amendment, if any, in government protocols.
Cases of new variant have been reported in the countries and especially in the neighboring states. As December is supposed to be a peak season of tourism, everyone is worried whether the season will see any benefit and if it's going to be safe to welcome visitors, especially charter tourism and tourists. Now, the scheduled chartered flights that will arrive to Goa will bring passengers who are presently categorized as non-risk countries, but the list of countries at non-risk could be revised. Malik added that international commercial operations kept in abeyance.
See, as far as if you see my previous deliberations with all of you or with the public also, I have always been of the opinion, yes, we have approved slots. We have as of now approved 27 slots. Some belong to Skytee Airlines, some belong to Astana Airlines, both are operating from Almaty. But it will simply depend what is the COVID situation, how COVID is going to take shape in the world around. So the slots we have given is, first slot has been given for 13th of December.
Till the government decides, so international flights will be kept on hold. उसपे क्या करना है?
See, government of India took a step that they announced that from 15th of December international commercial operations will commence. But unfortunately, due to this new variant, now a decision has been taken that government of India will decide later on about the date when international operations will take place. So far the international commercial operations, scheduled operations which were supposed to be starting from 15th of December have been kept in abeyance by the government of India. So we will have to wait the further directions in the matter. So it all depends. The new variant is causing serious damage or causing some serious problems. Whether passengers will come or not is very difficult for us to state. But we are geared up. So whatever protocol is brought in place, we'll follow that and we'll see to it that whatever best we can do for the state of Goa, we are always there to do that.
Story by Kiran Borkar for Herald TV.
Now let's take a short break.
goodness of health with wealth and safeguard your health or life. Go and sip Truly Goan. Going to Goat, going to Udok, Amche Udok.
The government has begun the construction work of a wall outside the GMC complex in Bambolim. It is hoped that soon the kiosk vendors and owners will be rehabilitated here. On Tuesday, the GMCH vendors' protest entered the 16th day. They are demanding early rehabilitation. Vendors have time and again stated that until they are not rehabilitated, the strike will not end.
आज आमचो हांगा बसल्या तो 16वो दीस आसा काम चालूच आसा आमचें मातशें दुराक बीन वयर येयल्या फुडल्या दुराक मोडीसर बसतले आमी काम जायसर हांगासर
तुम्ही आता हॅपी आहा की दुसरे दुरीक तेणी सांगलेले तरी बांदून काडला
हय दिसता काम चालू आसा तें आमकां दिसता सांगलेलें न्ही तेंच्यांनी फाटल्यान पयलीं बांदता म्हणून वर आनी मागीर फुडली मोडटा म्हणून पूण आतां आमकां दिसता की कितें तरी बाबा जाता अशें तें आमी आतां जायसर बसतले हांगा कळोंक जाय बाबा ते खरेंच तेच करता म्हणून काम ताका लागून आमी आतां हांगाच अशी बसतलीं बसूनच रावतलीं
आनी एमएलएन बी कितें सांगलां तुमकां परत गेल्ली
ना आनी आमी एमएलएच्या फुड्यान आनीक वचोंक ना पूण तेणी सांगून गेल्या न्ही आमचें काम चालू केल्या म्हणून सांगल्या दोगूय एमएलएनी सांगलें काम चालू आसा म्हणून.
Story by William Rodriguez for Herald TV.
Now let's take a short break.
Unlock the goodness of health with wealth and safeguard your health or life. Go and sip Truly Goan. Going to Goat, going to Udok, Amche Udok.
Welcome back. The Ponda market issue is festering for years. Not only is the market in a very bad condition, but sometimes vendors do not get customers for a whole week, they said. The roof has been continuously leaking with vendors getting wet. Some vendors sit by the roadside, thereby reducing the business of those who sit in the market. Even cattle enter the market and eat vegetables. Though the vendors pay sitting tax, they do not get any service from the municipality, they complained. They called on Ponda Municipality Chairperson Shantaram Kulvekar, Chief Officer and MLA Ravi Naik to solve their issues on priority.
आज परिस्थिती अशी आसा एका आवयना बापूयना ही परिस्थिती वस्तुस्थिती आल्या म्युनिसिपालिटीचे मनीस येता पयशे घेता वता ताका गिरायक जावं न जावं तो म्हणटा कितें तूं बसला तुवें पयशे दिवपाक जाय आनी ते तेंच्या कायद्यान ते वयता पूण हितून सगळ्यांत म्हत्वाचें आसता जी बॉडी आसता ह्या बॉडीन हेजेर विचार करपाक जाय हांगा चेअरपर्सन आसता तेणें सीओन विचार करपाक जाय लोकल एमएलएन विचार करपाक जाय बाबा कितें जालें ह्या मार्केटान काय म्हणून आयज परिस्थिती अशी आसा ज्या रोडार बसता तितकेच पुरती मर्यादीक लोक धंदो करता बाकी सगळे हांगसर पळयल्यार तुमी सगळे म्हणजे आयज गिरायक जाय जाल्यार फाल्यां जायना फाल्यां जाल्यार परत जायना ही वस्तुस्थिती ह्या मार्केटाची आमी सामके कितके फावटी तांकां रिक्वेस्ट केलें की सगळ्या वेगळे वेगळे घालात म्हणून भाज्यकार वेगळे मिरसांगकार वेगळे मसालाकार वेगळे अशें एका टायमार व्यंकटेश नायक जो आसा दादा हेणें एक टायमार तें केल्लें म्हणजे आमी तुमकां वेगळे वेगळे घालता म्हणून पूण परिस्थिती अशी जाता की आतां जो पयलो कोण भाज्यकार आसा तो तुका जागो चेंज करता जाल्यार दुसरे कडेन पावलो ना म्हणून कोण एग्री जालो ना पूण आयज अशी परिस्थिती जाता ह्या मार्केटान गिरायक म्हणटा तें अजिबात जायना
पावस येयलो जाल्यार उदक व्हाळ हेवटेच्यान येता लोक येवपाक साम मुश्कील आसा व्हाळ येवपाक जाय कितें जाता उदक त्या वयले सगळें उदक सकयल येता मार्केटान आनी लोकांक पत्रे घातलेले ना पत्रे घातलेले ना
वर पत्रे दिसता ना घातलेले
हे पत्रे आमकां घातल्या आतां ते पत्रे सगळे कितले वर्सां मार्केट बांदला तेन्ना ते पत्रे घातलेले सिमेंटाचे ते सगळे पत्रे माकड हें जाय जाल्यार बरोबर माकड सुद्दां भितर पडटा असले पत्रे जाले
उदक भितर येता
उदक जाता माकड येयले म्हणटकीर आनी उदक भितर येता
पळय आमकां हांगा गिरायक मार्केटान कांयच जायना आं सगळो लोक भायर घेवन बसलेलो आसा आनी आमकां भितर एक सुद्दां गिरायक येना हय आमी पळयात 8 दीस बोणी सुद्दां करिनासतना आसता.
दुकान डेली ओपन करतात.
डेली ओपन करता,
लोक तरी येता हांगा वयर येता, लोक येतात हांगा
हांगा कोणूच भोंवपाक येना वयर आनी लास्ट तर कोणूच येना. चालू आमी एक कायदो करता, चालू करपाचें बंद करपाचें, चालू करपाचें बंद करपाचें, इतलेंच करता.
प्रॉब्लेम कितलो तेप जालो.
आतां हे आमी लॉकडावना पयलीं सुद्दां अशेंच रे, अशें चालूच आसा हें.
Story by Sanjay Naik for Herald TV.
In the match number 22 of ISL, Bengaluru FC has planned to come out stronger on Nawabs of Hyderabad FC on Wednesday. The Manolo Marquez coach side are placed 7th in the points table with 4 points from 3 matches. Marquez was unhappy with his team's first half show against the Man of Steel Jamshedpur FC and would want his charges to improve when they take on Bengaluru. The two teams will look to steady their ship, and since often it is a lapse of concentration in crucial moments that has hurt them so far.
Would be like the not the former question is about the practically the first or no. If we are looking for the consistency, I think that if you look at Bengaluru, if you watch Bengaluru, more or less it's the same. They played a good game in the first day against Northeast, but they had doubts with Kerala, and now they lost the last game, but even the coach said that was their best game, and in my opinion, I agree with him. The first half, especially in my opinion, they deserve in the halftime to win the game. When they concede the second goal, it's very difficult, and if you play against Mumbai and you are playing a very good game and you are losing, it's very difficult, the last part of the game. But in fact, I liked Bengaluru the other day against Mumbai.
What I'm not really happy about the Mumbai game, it's the set pieces and the defending part, because when you see the first goal, what we get and the penalty, we could defend better, like Goodwin can take the ball better, I think already in the air before it goes to Alan's hands. The second goal was a free kick of Paul that we discussed already before and analyzing, and that we defend not well, because also we had a change of Prince Ibarra. Prince went out and he was taking charge of Paul. But these 4 points we are missing. That's why we are not on the top of the table. That's why we need to be better in this situation, shooting penalty, and also defend better, because also we need to have a clean sheet as well. You know, we consider too easy 2 goals, and that's killing our style of game.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news alert, please follow us on O Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.